I'm going to show you how you can scrape county records and find foreclosures, tax liens, and more distressed properties by using Claude. So here is the Claude desktop app, and I am on Cowork. And all I'm going to ask Claude is, can you find me foreclosure properties in Dallas County? Then I'm going to do / and grab the county record skill that I'm going to show you how you can get at the end of this video. It's a skill that I made that makes scraping county websites a breeze. So let's send this off. And now what's going to happen, it's going to actually grab my Chrome browser and start going to the county website and pulling out all the information. It's going to ask me what Chrome browser. You can select any. I'm just going to select the first Chrome browser that it sees. We see now Claude has this Chrome browser open, and it assigned it to a Claude group that lets you know that these are the tabs that Claude is managing. And now you're just going to see it work and click through every single field and pull out all the data. Now, most of the counties have been optimized with this skill. So I've gone through and looked at most of the county providers and the systems they use and distilled it into a skill so that our agent can work more effectively while searching county websites. So here it's pulling up a long list of properties that are in between the 6th of this month to the 20th of this month. And it is looking up all the people that are under foreclosure, and then it's going to do tax liens as well. So after about 9 minutes, it was able to scrape the county site and rank these leads by motivation and any equity that it could come up with. And it'll tell you its equity confidence as well. Here it says low. You'll see that the first lead is a probate, the second lead is a divorce, and all of these just keep on going further down and down, and then the motivation score gets lower and lower. But these are all leads that now you can grab the address to. If it has the address, you can grab the site address and then go and enrich it with any third-party provider that you use. It could be anyone, DealMachine, PropStream, anybody. And then you can skip trace it and give that lead a call. Now, this skill is a part of a plugin that other skills are a part of. And once you install the plugin, which we're gonna go over momentarily, you'll be able to use different skills that I've created, like rental analysis. It's gonna do a rental analysis and give you what the cash flow is expected to be on this property, going through and looking at HUD, fair market rents, and Section 8 rents. So there is a rental cash flow skill, and then this is the HUD fair market rent skill as well. And then also there is a Zillow skill that lets you look up the property on Zillow and get all the data from Zillow as well. So now let's jump into how you can actually install this plugin and get all these skills. So this is the plugin that is on GitHub. This is a GitHub repository that you are going to hook up to your Claude, and it's super simple. I'm going to paste this in the description so you can grab it there. But what you're gonna do is you are gonna go and click on Customize. Scroll to the bottom, go to Plugins, and then click Add, and then Add Marketplace. And then you're gonna click on Add from a repository. And then you are just gonna copy and paste what you had there. Then you're gonna use the link there. And then you're going to sync, and you can sync automatically, meaning every time I push an update to this plugin and I update the skills or add any more skills, you're going to be able to sync that automatically to your Claude. So now I'm going to sync this. Under the personal plugins, I have CREI Claude Real Estate Investing plugin. I'm going to press the plus sign, and now I have all those skills. You can see it here. If I click on this, you'll see the 5 skills that are currently in the plugin, and this is going to be an ever expanding list. From there, you can invoke the skills like you normally would every other skill. /CREI will show you all the ones that are in the plugin. You can also click on the plus, go to plugins, and then click on CREI and select it from here directly. Grab the plugin, use it, get some leads, make some deals, and if you got any questions, drop it in the comments.